Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed a get ready with me. This is the look. I did my hair too, like I curled the front pieces a bit. I didn't want to put too much heat on it just because it needs a wash and unnecessary heat just isn't good for your hair. But I put a little bit of heat on it for you guys, so love me for that. I also haven't changed my outfit yet because this is like get ready with me social distancing edition. So I can technically wear whatever I want. So if I just want to wear this, just laying around the house, I can do that. And you guys can't judge me. My DIY'd trousers and my bleach top that I didn't do myself. I really hope you guys do enjoy this video. If you do, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and you're here to my post taking part as well. I don't miss any of my uploads. All my social medias in the description box down below, so feel free to follow me on those. And if you want to know how to get this makeup look and a fun little chatty get ready with me social distancing edition, let's go baby cakes. Keep watching. Would like to say before we start this video, I have just waxed my moustache, so there could be some very uneven makeup application over this whole area here. It's still red, it hurt a bit, and there's still a few hairs there, but it doesn't matter because majority of it's gone. Let's just go. I'm gonna take this. I need to get another one. I need more makeup. I just need to buy more makeup. I'm running low on some stuff. I take this Clinique something colour changing tinted moisturiser gel, and it changes colour, so it adds a little bit of something under your foundation. I need to dampen my booty blender. There you are. I need to get a new one of these because I've been using it every day since I got it. Who watched Instant Influencer? I was gonna say who's been watching, but it's finished now. It only lasted like how many weeks? Not that many weeks. But I want to know your thoughts on it. Honestly, my thoughts are that I could tell Ashley was gonna win from literally the start. She just definitely was the best. Let's see if this is gonna cover up my moustache. There were some people that I didn't agree with when they went home. Like, I didn't think the girl who was eliminated the first week should have been eliminated, and then I think that Gabriel should have been eliminated before the other dude, and I don't think Benny should have made it to the final. Just my personal opinion. I've got a spot on my forehead, what the hell? Yeah, that's my personal opinion. Let me know your thoughts on Instant Influencer, because I've been watching it. Like, none of my friends are really into makeup and like watch crap like that, so I don't have anyone to talk about it with. Yeah, tell me your thoughts. And I'm feeling good. Sorry, I just want to take a little bit of the NARS Sheer Glow foundation as well, just because it still has that nice dewy finish, but it's a little bit more full coverage and obviously a little darker too. Damn, okay, she's gonna need to use a lot of concealer to lighten up today. So what I do is I take the lighter concealer in the inner corner, just here, and then I go woof with it, woof with it. Lovely. Right, I would take the other shade of the Cover Up FX concealer, but I don't know where it is, so I'm just gonna take my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer for the rest of my under eye bag and just connect together like the light to the other light, and that's where you put the darker shade. Watching my moves, yeah, do my dance. I'm a skinny little bitch still shaking now. Yeah, I haven't filmed a get ready with me in a min-week, but I thought why not? This is literally just gonna be how I do my makeup, like almost every day. So yeah, I think now I found the style of makeup that I like and it works for me. So what's the point of changing it? I do change it every now and again though. Anyway, I cannot find my powder. Someone help me find my powder. I'll just have to use another one. Laura Mercier is the better one. Oh my god, I'm so good. I should become a singer-songwriter. I wanted to use the Charlotte Tilbury pressed powder, but I just don't know where it is. So I'm just gonna mix the Kevyn Aucoin translucent powder with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. So I don't have enough Laura Mercier. I'm just gonna set it. I don't want too much powder. I do need to set around here though, because like already you guys can see it's all uneven because I just waxed it. Oh, too much. Too much. I want to do something like cute, not too much, but a little bit. I know what I'm gonna do. Desert Dusk palette. I used to use this all the time. I'm gonna go in with the shade Eden, which is this little peachy shade. It's so pretty. And I'm just gonna put that through the crease. I wish I had like a bigger, fluffier brush. Maybe I do. So I'm just blending that the whole way through my crease in like windshield wiper motions, I guess. Like, I haven't used that expression in a while. That's one I had when I first got on YouTube. Like, I went first watching YouTube, like 2012 vibes, like windshield wiper motions, you know. Aww, who else misses 2012 YouTube? Because I do. Blazing this little orange shade. I'm gonna wing my eyeshadow out with this and start defining that crease a little bit more. We've got this like orangey vibe going on right now. Don't know how I feel about it, but we're just gonna go with it. I'm gonna take Summer from the Norvina palette. I'm sorry, but look at that eyeshadow. I've not put anything on that. That is literally just me applying it straight onto powder. no setting spray. Like, this eyeshadow is mental, I'm sorry. Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadows are the one, I'm telling you. Sometimes they can be a little bit dry, like as you guys can see, I've got a little bit of fallout, but it's fine, we can just brush it away. Especially if you set your under eyes, it is no big deal. Blend it in, and it just blends so pretty. I kind of want to do something, I don't know what look I want to do yet. I might even wear lashes, but my lashes are upstairs, so it'll be so long if I want to wear eyelashes, but maybe I will. Who knows, you know? I can be adventurous, I can do it, I promise. I don't just do the same 3 looks over and over again, I promise I don't. I actually have uniqueness. I'm taking Passion from the Norvina palette, which is the deepest shade, and I'm just blending it. There we go. Okay, do you know what? I'm gonna do my eyeliner and lashes off camera just because, you know, stress. I'm gonna come back with you to finish the face. I should have a hairbrush down here. I hope so. Oh my god. Ow. Ow. I don't know why I was like owing, like stop, it's me doing it. Oh, I didn't realize I had 2 hairbands and that's why it hurts so much. Ow. So I need to do my hair too because it's like a get ready with me, right? Fun. I did my eyebrows too because I just thought, why not? Let's do the bronzer. Now I can't find my favorite bronzer at the moment, which is actually quite sad for me. Leave me in your thoughts, please. So I need to just adventure about. I'm using this Saint-Tropez bronzer. I tried it the other day and I don't think I liked it, but I wanted to give it a second chance. Yeah, it's not dark enough for me, but if you have a lighter skin tone, I'm using the Hourglass Ambient Light Bronzer, which actually is super cute because it kind of builds up the color. Like, it doesn't come off super dark straight away. Obviously, you can build it up, so it is pretty noticeable, but it doesn't come off like that straight away. So you don't get too carried away with it, which, you know, with me with bronzer happens quite a lot. My mirror's here. I don't know if I've said it yet, but my mirror's here. So I'm not just not looking at you guys, I'm just looking at myself because arrogance is key. I always put a lot of bronzer on my nose. Some people like it, some people don't, but I just love like a really bronzed looking nose. Don't ask me why. I did it once and I thought it changed my whole face. I mean, I don't really get why people don't put bronzer on their nose, because if you are gonna go for that natural sun-kissed look, you tan on your nose. Like, I tan on my nose. I need to do my hair, but I've left my hair curler upstairs. Glow Getter, I think I'm gonna use Glow Getter from this Anastasia Nicole Guerrero Glow Getter here at the bottom. Just the right amount of highlighter to the point where I don't look like I'm overdoing it, but borderline, you know what I mean? I probably always look like I'm overdoing highlighter, I don't even know what I'm going on about. Rightio, I need some more mascara, methinks. Do you know what I wonder? I know this is gonna sound like the most stupid thing to ever come out of someone's mouth. If like, okay, no, this is gonna sound stupid, but if young me and old me was alive at the same time, would little me watch old me's YouTube videos? That literally just crossed my head about 5 seconds ago and I thought it was a good thing to say out loud. But you know what I mean? Because I used to watch YouTube videos like this all the time. Like my literal, like I was obsessed with just any makeup videos I could find. So I wonder, would I have watched my videos? I'm really going off on a rant here. It doesn't make any sense what I'm saying. Let's just time lapse this freckle part because it takes a while. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. I haven't finished my makeup yet, but I think I'm just gonna go on to my hair because I don't know what I want to do with it. I'm also very aware that my SD card is on its last life and it's about to get full up. I feel like you need an outfit and get ready with me, and this certainly isn't the outfit because I'm not even wearing a bra right now. I want like a cute outfit. Sometimes I just want to look cute, you know? So I think I saw this thing on TikTok and it was like you braid the front parts of your hair. So let me just try that. And you don't like French braid it, you just braid it down. Okay, I want like a clear elastic, but I don't know if I have one in here. Okay, yeah, no, I don't like that. Okay, I'm gonna go get my hair curler. Give me 1 minute. I have a curling wand. So what I'm gonna do is I don't want to curl my whole head because it just takes too long. So I just wrap around like this. I've already got heat protectant just in my hair. Wrap around like this. It's not heated up yet, so I need to leave it a little bit longer. 1 elephant, 2 elephant, 3 elephant, 4. There we go. Nice little curl. I do want the root to have a bit more volume, so I'm just gonna wrap it around right at the root, just like this, just to give the root a little bit more volume. Oh my god, I hate using such a small mirror to curl my hair because I just know I'm gonna burn myself because I'm so clumsy. Cool. And then I take this section, I also curl this like halfway down. This is the Beauty Works X Molly May curl kit, so it comes with like clips and a hairbrush as well and like a heat-proof mat, I think. I just got it because it's pink and I like pink. It's the exact same as the Professional Styler on their website though, so it's from Beauty Works. Also, my hair extensions are from Beauty Works, so this isn't sponsored either. They don't, like, I've paid for everything myself. And also, because I do use hair extensions, these are just the best curling things for me because the barrel on it is super long, so when you have like hair extensions or just long hair, it works a lot better. Yeah, so I'm not gonna curl my whole head of hair. I just like to curl the first like few front pieces when I'm being lazy because it just, I think it looks cute. I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. The thicker the section, the longer you leave it on, because that section was quite thick, that's why I left it on for a little bit longer. So my hair like does kind of need a wash, which is why I don't want to curl the whole thing, because I don't need like excess heat on it or anything. I think I'm just gonna leave it like this. Just fluff it up a little bit. Yeah, sick. Need to finish my makeup. I'm gonna finish my makeup quickly on camera. Mascara. Some people don't like doing lower lash mascara. My lower lashes are quite long, so pick because I have hardly any storage left in my camera. Done. Woo. I think. Really quick outro. I haven't got changed just because I'm running low on time and I don't even know if I'm gonna get changed because it's like get ready with me quarantine edition. So I can just wear whatever I want, like I'm not going anywhere. Anyway, regardless of the point, if I do change my outfit, here's a photo of my changed outfit. Really quick outro because I don't want my camera to die. I'm gonna talk really fast. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to like, comment, subscribe if you're new here, turn my post notification bell as well, that way you don't miss any of my uploads. All my social medias in the description box down below as well. So if you want to follow me in those, feel free. I love you guys loads and thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. That was the quickest outro I've ever done in my life. Love that.